All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, all kinds of good things about crypto. Well, today we're going to be talking about Tectonic. What's going on with Tectonic? It's down slightly right this second. Is it a good platform to get into? Can you make passive income off of it? We're going to go to their Telegram group, check out a couple of little deep dive. At the end, we're going to talk about a new miner. This came out a month ago. Trust Miner, paid out in USDT. It's a stable coin. I like that a lot. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even get involved in some cryptocurrency. Might as well get it out of the way right away. I'm not a financial planner. We do this for educational purposes only, documented my DeFi journey. All right, let's head over to Tectonic, and we'll do a little price prediction when we're done. All right, Tectonic right here, 35.32 on coin market cap. It's down 5% for the day, only down a little bit for the week, not too bad. Let's go ahead and click it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 16, 17. Looks like it's been going down, but for the 7 days, look at it went up and it came back down right to back where it's at. So it did go bull. Started to go bull run and going up, and then it became bear. So, I love it when it goes bull. Don't like it so much when it goes bear. So many things are going bear. For the 24 hours, it's been going down slightly. All right. Going over to their Twitter account here, the Tectonic, the cross-chain money market on Cronus Chain. Tectonic is now supported by Zapper FI. You can now track your Tectonic position on their dashboard. So go to Zapper to check it out. You click it. It says connect your wallet. So right here on Zapper, you would connect your wallet. They got all kinds of features, swap, bridge, invest, and so forth and so on. So nice little thing that Tectonic, you can track everything on the Zapper FI. Zapper, your home for Web3, a simple dashboard for Web3. Easy track and watch all your DeFi assets and liabilities in one simple interface. Back in April, they were talking about Pickle Finance. All right, here, CRO is getting 45% APY, and WETH is a 10%. Back in March, it hit his $1 billion in locked value. All right, over to the website. Tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and access instant-back loans. I like the part about the passive yield. Powered by Cronus. They got about 500 million, 444 total supplies. About 185 is borrowed, which is about less than half. It says generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited in Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately, no lockup. Start saving today. Over to the right here, it says instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets, including into Tectonic. Start borrowing today. The thing about this is unlock the liquidity from idle crypto. So if you have some crypto just sitting there, of course, hoping it goes to the moon during this bloody time the last few weeks, it's not going to the moon. You might as well unlock that liquidity and get some idle crypto to working for you. Start borrowing today. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain auditor Solomis. The insurance fund is coming. Open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, with Tectonic is proudly committed to. Going over to their Telegram group, right here at the bottom, you get your Telegram, so you click it, view it in Telegram, and again, you want to join the group, all kinds of different things. The things I like about the Telegram is you can kind of read what other people are talking about, you can ask questions, what's going on, what people are doing. I just like the fact that the Telegram is kind of like your instant access to what's going on with the different groups. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We'll come back to Tectonic for a price prediction, dig into it a little bit deeper. Now we're going to talk about a project that is in stablecoin, USDT, Trust Miner. The thing I like about this is I don't have to worry about putting money into this project and a week or two later or a month later, the coin is actually down to 30%. Here's a funny story. Project X nodes, back in March, when I was in Hawaii, the coin was at $18 to $19. Okay, so imagine this coin, $18 to $19, and now it's worth 30 cents. March, April, May, June, July. It's not even July yet. In 120 days, the token went from $18 to $19, Project X nodes, a node project we were in, and now it's at 30 cents. Well, the nice thing about USDT is if it was $18 to $19, 120 days later, it's going to be $18 to $19. So I like these kind of projects. Let's head over to Trust Miner. Right here, Trust Miner pays 3.5% daily USDT rewards on BSC. There's some features. It's verified and safe. The Trust Miner runs securely on Binance Smart Chain. Our smart contracts are verified and renounced. The platform, the team is available 24/7 through Telegram. We were just talking about that, Telegram. And to help with onboarding and claiming rewards and general support. Project is community driven. The success, direction, and sustainment of the project is achieved through our strong community engagement. And the thing I like the most, stable rewards. USDT rewards are not impacted by market volatility, consistently generating revenue in the bull or bear market. Couple things here. This balance was around 22,000 a week ago. Then it was 28,000. There's over 46,000 in the contract right now. We can go over to Moonark. Right here is Trust Miner on Moonark. I like this. This is how I found BNB Miner on Moonark. Right here, Trust Miner's right here, paid in USDT. Take a look at this. It's up 12%. So 12% is at 46,000. Fantastic. But I just like the fact that it is on Moonark. I just think if they're willing to put it on here, and again, a lot of people look at spin off for 35 days. All right. I have $100.70 right here. Let me show you how easy it is to do. Let's go ahead and compound this. We're going to put this back into the program. I got 2190 shares. So I'm going to compound this to show you how easy this is. We're putting this $1.70 back into the program. All right, and there's 2190 as my miners. $1.70 took me to 22.12. So I added about 100 miners on that almost $2 I just put in. Here's your compounding calculator. I actually like doing this at 500. Let's do it at 700. Let's say you put $700 into this. Again, I'm not a financial planner. Invest only what you're willing to lose. All my information is for educational purposes only. This is a little 10-week chart. If you put it in and you just compound it, so if in 3 weeks, if you put $700 in, and you compound, your $700, you'd have $699 in interest, you'd have $1,400 there. If you waited till week 6, you'd have $700 in, you compound, you'd have $2,100 in interest, your total would be $2,800. Let's say in week right here, 8, you put $700 in, you compound for 2 months, you'd have $3,700 in interest, a total of $4,400 in the project. The last one, $700 in, $6,300 in interest, you'd have $7,000 back. So you'd actually almost put 10% in and 90% would be interest. This would kick you off a $232 a day profit, which is good. I would not claim it every single day because, again, if you claim, then your balance is going to go down. I'd probably do like a 5 and 2. So if you did this and you took 232 twice a week, so that'd be 8 times a month. Look at that. You put $700 in. 10 weeks later, you can get $1,800 back a month, and you'd still be compounding 5 days out of 7, so 5 times 4. You'd still be compounding 20 times and claiming 8 times. Actually, there's 30 days in a month, but just for simple round numbers. All right, MetaMask instructions here. Check that out. They have some frequently asked questions that you want to check out. What happens when I invest? Your USDT gets locked into the blockchain smart contract, and you'll be rewarded 3.3% returns daily. You can choose to compound or withdraw your rewards at any time. What happens after I invest? The smart contract will continually reward you with USDT. Refresh the site and compound or withdraw your rewards. Once per day is recommended because of the gas fees. I think you guys kind of get the picture. Trust Miner. Why do I like it? Paid out in USDT. Again, my story about Project X nodes, back in March when I was in Hawaii, coin was worth $18 to $20. Go look at it today, it's worth 30 cents. in 120 days, the coin went from $18 to 30 cents. Not going to have to worry about that with Trust Miner. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Tectonic. All right, back at Tectonic, I want to ask these frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn, here's the key word, passive income, or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tonic work? Funds are deposited by users and provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contract adjusts these rates based on each market utilization rates. What is Tonic? Tonic is a Tectonic protocol token with two key uses: governance and staking into the community insurance pool to secure protocol and earn more rewards. All right, here we are back at the protocol. Back at CoinMarketCap, what is our price prediction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 16.15. I think the coin's going to go down a little bit more. 6 zeros and a 15.15 is what I'm thinking. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. This is a solo dolo thing. If you click the button, it's all on you. If you make all kinds of money, great job. If you don't, again, it's on you. All my information is for educational purposes only. All right, everybody, Tectonic talking about passive yields and passive income. We like that. Trust Miner on Moonarch. I like that too. Paid in USDT. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click right here so you can learn about BNB Miner, the longest paying miner on the planet, 3% a day for over 464 days. Click right here and we're going to link the about 17-minute video on Trust Miner, a whole entire tutorial on everything. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. It is Thursday. Have a fantastic day.